Welcome to the Assist tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to see courses that satisfy CSU General Education Breadth Areas. Before getting started, students, please note the articulation and transfer information in Assist is best used with the guidance and expertise of an academic advisor. Be sure you talk to a counselor or transfer center advisor at your community college and an admissions advisor or departmental advisor at the university campus you plan to attend. To find courses that satisfy CSU GE-Breadth Areas, there are 4 general steps. First, you'll select an academic year. Second, you'll select an institution. Third, you'll choose to view courses by department, prefix, or CSU GE area. And fourth, you'll view the course list in a new tab or download the list for later use. First, select an academic year. A current academic year will be pre-selected by default, but you'll want to select the academic year when the course or courses of interest were taken or will be taken. You may also use the keyboard to type in a year. If you are unsure of what academic year to select, you can click on the question mark icon above the academic year for additional information. Next, select an institution from the Institution dropdown. You'll want to choose the institution where the course or courses of interest were completed or will be completed. Just as with the academic year selection, you can use the keyboard to type in the box and search for an institution. In this example, we'll be using Cabrillo College. Again, you can click on the question mark icon for more information about what selection to make in this dropdown. After selecting an academic year and institution, the Transferable Courses section appears at the bottom of the active window. Select CSU GE-Breadth Certification Courses from the dropdown. Then, click on the View Transferability Lists button. In a new column that appears on the screen, we can choose to view courses by department or prefix, or by CSU GE-Breadth area. First, let's look at what viewing this course list by department looks like. To look for specific courses that satisfy a CSU GE-Breadth area, choose Department, then choose All Departments. In a new column that appears on the page, you can choose to view the course list or download it. Clicking on View Course List opens the list in a new browser tab. When viewing the list, always note the date approved and date removed for courses of interest. Most web browsers are able to make use of the outline view of the course list. Locate the outline view. This may vary by browser used. Then scroll through the departments and click on the one as desired. This allows you to quickly jump to a section of the list without having to scroll through the entire list first. In addition to searching for courses by department, you are also able to search for any course that satisfies a specific CSU GE-Breadth area. This is sometimes referred to as searching by area. To do this, select CSU GE-Breadth area from the View Transferable Courses By dropdown. Then, choose all CSU GE-Breadth areas. Once again, you will be presented with the options of viewing the course list or downloading it. For additional support, click on the Support button at the bottom of the Assist page. The Support page includes options for contacting Assist, a link to resources, and providing feedback. For help and support with the Assist website, you can contact Assist directly by sending an email to help@assist.org or by calling 949-824-4385. For questions about articulation and transfer information, be sure to consult a counselor or transfer center advisor at your community college and an admissions or departmental advisor at the university campus you plan to attend. The link to the Resource Center will take you to the Assist Resource Center website, where important information, tutorials, and helpful tools are just a click away. Finally, your feedback is important to us. Take our survey by clicking on the Provide Feedback link to let us know what you think of the new assist.org.